Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Or not. This week, I know it's gonna be new. We got a lot of kinks to work out, whatever that case may be. It's gonna be a pretty easy week. Okay, you're gonna have three things to do: April 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Tomorrow, there will be a link put up here in the next few minutes. Today it's Tuesday. It's about 3 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. There'll be a link put up here next few minutes for Ed Puzzle. There's two videos. I can only do 15 minutes at a time. So there's two videos covering a PowerPoint, and a note guide will be added to Classroom as well. You need to open that note guide, make a copy of it, print it out, whatever. It'll be a PDF, so you can't open it like a Google Doc. Take notes over the French Revolution. On Thursday, there will be an Ed puzzle on the French Revolution, and then on Friday, what I'm going to do, I've got it open on my other computer right now. I'm looking at it, so I'm not here. I'm here, not here, there, here, 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 here. It's wild. What I'm going to do is take a thing for the French Revolution that we would do in class with printouts. We don't have handouts because we're e-learning. So, what you have to do when you open this, okay, when you click on this link to access this, I'm going to have this in the shared folder with Dr. Willman as well. You have to make a copy. Okay, when you open the file, if you go up to and you're in Google Docs, in the top left corner on a desktop, whether you're on a desktop or your iPad, I don't know, but you got to make a copy of this to put into your drive. Okay, what I want you to try, and we're going to try this week. I don't know if it'll work perfectly. We're going to try it. I want you to make a copy of this. Okay, so this is going to be File, Make a Copy. It's going to open up a new doc, and it will say copy of the title of the assignment that I'm giving you. Copy of Analyzing Responses to the French Revolution. What you then want to do is change that title. Delete where it says copy of, and then at the end put your name. Okay? Analyze responses to the French Revolution, Caitlin Jones. Analyzing responses to the French Revolution, Abby Hartz. Ricardo Ramon, whoever, whatever, you guys get what I'm saying, okay? And then what you'll do, I'll make an assignment on Classroom where you will then take that assignment, you need to upload it through your docs. Very simple. If we're having trouble on this, email me, shoot me some emails, and then Friday what I can try to do is I can do a Google Hangouts with everybody and walk you guys kind of through how to do it. Ask your friends, phone your friends, text your friends, snappy chat each other, Instagrammies each other. Do what you got to do to communicate. If one of you knows how to do it, maybe show the others how to do it. If not, I can lead everybody and show you how to do it. It's no big deal. And that's what we'll do this week. All of that will be due Monday. Okay, Monday at 11:59. I'm going to give you what we'll do the next 3 weeks. Whatever we do, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's all going to be due the following Monday. So next week on April, what is that? April 7th is Tuesday. The 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th of April, that stuff will not be due until the following Monday, April 3rd, April 13th. Okay? That's how we'll do it. We'll see how this goes. I don't know what's going to happen. Very fluid situation here. Stuff's out of control, man. It's crazy. You're living history right now. So just embrace all you can. Stay indoors. Nobody wants your dirtiness on their shopping carts and their foods, okay? Stay inside. Stay corona free. No kissing strangers. Don't be going outside high-fiving people. Stay away from people, okay? If you have questions, shoot me an email. Type it up on the Classroom. Do whatever you got to do. And we'll make the most of this, okay? I miss you guys. I know it kind of, not really. Kind of. You guys are all right, you know. Even first period, you guys are all right. Hey, nothing like drinking. Oh, I'm Abe Lincoln. Look at me. I freed the slaves and won the American Civil War. And now I'm English, apparently. Abe Lincoln. Even drinking coffee in the afternoon, 3 o'clock. Gotta love it. Okay? I do hope you guys are doing well. It's been a while. I haven't talked to you guys or seen you guys. I hope you're doing well. Hope everything's are okay. Nobody's sick. You're social distancing as best you can. We'll be in touch the next few days, and I look forward to talking to you guys here real soon. All right? See you guys.